Specifying the tolerance value and datum references for geometric tolerance annotations is faster with a more flexible workflow. You can type the tolerance value, including any modifiers, directly into the tolerance box on the Geometric Tolerance tab. You can add modifier symbols by selecting them from the Symbols palette. You can specify the datum references, including any modifiers, by typing the text into the datum boxes on the tab. You can add modifier symbols to the datum fields by selecting them from the Symbols palette.